What's the correct Iupac name for this compound? We'll take this one step at a time. So if you look at all the answer choices, and thus the correct answer choice is going to have heptane in the final molecule name. So that means that we have a 7-carbon main chain, and all of those carbons are single bonded. That's why we don't see any double stacked sticks. In identifying our main chain, we actually have 2 possible ways of sketching it, like this and like this. But it just so happens that because it's 7 carbons either way, and it leaves us the same 3 substituents all equally spaced apart, either one is going to work. So we're going to choose one of them and then identify the substituents. This is an ethyl, this is a methyl, and this is a chlorine atom. And they're named in the final molecule as ethyl, methyl, and chloro respectively, and chloro is noticeably different from the previous slide. And the good news is that no matter what number belongs to what prefix, they will be reported in alphabetical order for our final molecule name. Thus, we can eliminate choices A and C because chloro comes before ethyl comes before methyl, as C is before E is before M in the alphabet. Speaking of numbers, next we need to order our main chain so we know what number carbon each of our substituents are assigned. For instance, is our ethyl substituent a 5 or a 3? And that all depends on what order we number the chain. Do we order it left to right or right to left? We only need to focus on the numbers of our substituents, specifically the sum of these numbers. We add up the numbers of each of the substituents per each direction of ordering our molecule, our parent chain, and we see that it adds to the same overall sum. In order to break this mathematical tiebreaker, we need to defer to the alphabet of our substituent. We have an ethyl and we have a chloro. Methyl is going to be a 4 either way, so we can just ignore that. And as we discussed earlier, C comes before E in the alphabet, so we're going to give chloro the lower of the 2 numbers. So chloro gets the 3, methyl gets the 4, ethyl gets the 5. So that means that our correct answer is 3 chloro, 5 ethyl, 4 methyl heptane.